Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Arabian Dreams. Today I'm going to show you all how to make a Mexican tacos. Let's first check out the ingredients. To make this Mexican tacos, we need half teaspoon of chili flakes, 4 medium-sized mashed potatoes, half a lemon, mozzarella cheese, 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a spoon of pepper powder, salt according to your taste, a handful of coriander leaves, and a tomato sauce or ketchup. Now let's get started. First, let's start kneading the dough. For that we need all-purpose flour. Now take all-purpose flour in a bowl and add salt according to your taste and olive oil into it. Here I am using olive oil. You can use any other oil according to your preference. Now mix it well. Then add about half a cup of water and knead the dough well until it becomes soft. Now our dough is ready. Let the dough rest for about 20 minutes. Till then, we can prepare the stuffing. Now, take the mashed potatoes into the bowl. Add about half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Then add about half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Now squeeze half a lemon and give it a quick mix. Then add salt according to your taste. And then some chopped coriander leaves and mix it well. Now our stuffing is ready. Now let's take the dough and divide the dough into 8 small portions. And then roll the dough into a medium-sized sheet. Now heat a pan on a medium flame and spread the rolled sheet into the pan and semi-cook it. Make sure the sheets are not too thick nor too thin, and the rolled sheets should not be fully cooked. Now let's start assembling. Now spread some tomato sauce evenly on the semi-cooked sheets. You can even use ketchup. Then spread some mozzarella cheese on one side and spread it evenly. And then spread the potato stuffings evenly on the top of mozzarella cheese. Again add mozzarella cheese on the top of potato stuffing. And then close it. Now our assembling is completely done. Repeat the same process for the other sheets as well. Now let's heat the pan on the low flame and add some butter on the pan. And then put the assembled sheets on the pan and cook it on a very low flame until it becomes crispy and golden brown on both the sides. Now our Mexican tacos are ready to be served. Hope you all like my video. If so, please do subscribe to my channel. Ingredients are given below in the description box. Do check it out. Try this recipe at your home and do let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Thank you all for watching.